Welcome to another lecture of the SQL interview preparation topic. So in this lecture, I will discuss about the question related to trigger. And trigger is very important if you are working in the any data area, like if you are working in data analytics or the data engineering or database developer. Definitely, you will get the question related to trigger, and trigger is very important play into the basically in the real time. So basically, what I'm just giving you the basic idea what exactly trigger is there. So trigger is the same we have the revolver or something we firing the through the trigger. So I have one any table suppose table A we have. So if any update or any insert or any update, insert or delete operation, so normally insert or update delete operation perform in any table like table A. So it's automatically basically data will be insert into table A audit table. So basically trigger is basically used for the data integrity or the auditing point of view. So that is the very reason. So if anyone want to track the record, like when the any record is got inserted into table A and updated in table A for the particular column or deleted from table A, automatically data will be inserted in table A audit table and they can track it. Okay, so for the same one of the very repeatable question here, like company want to track salary update. So if any of the employee salary got updated, salary got deleted, or salary got inserted, so they want to track the log into the audit table. So for this how you can solve this question by using the trigger. So for this I'm just creating some sample table like employee table I'm creating here in this database. So this table got created and I'm inserting some sample record. Okay, so some sample record inserted, and for the same tracking point of view I'm creating one more table, that is the employee salary audit table. So if any of the salary got updated, all the data will be tracked in this audit table and anyone can see the data. So now I have only uh, two table. Employee table we have couple of record salary, and employee audit table we don't have any record, you can see. So to achieve this requirement, the requirement is company want to track the salary update for the employee. So for this we need to be create the trigger. Okay, so to save our time, I already have ready created table. Okay, so just I'm pasting here, and I will explain how actually trigger will be work. Okay, so basically how the trigger will be work. So to create a trigger, you can just write the create trigger and give the meaningful trigger name like TRG, employee salary audit, and which table do you want to which table do you want to perform the trigger. So this is the main table, employee table, and for what operation. So I'm just going to show you only for the update. You can just do by insert, you can do also for the delete as well, like the same. So this is the update, and you need to write the as begin. Set no count is basically used for the performance wise, and I'm inserting into this audit table. This table is basically data will be triggered automatically. Okay, so we have the column name mentioned, like whatever the column we created, audit ID. This is the identity column, employee ID, vault salary, new salary, who updated, who, when the data got updated date. Okay, so that all column will be there. So in the trigger, very important that we have two type of the magic table. Okay, so just I'm giving you the idea about magic table. So magic table is basically we have the two type. One is A is the inserted, and second B is the deleted. Okay, so whenever any of the data got inserted, any of the data got updated in this for the time frame, all the data will be available in this inserted table, or any of the data got deleted, this table is inserted into that data, and this table is cannot you can access outside. So you can see select star from table name here is mentioned, but if you put this table name in any out of the window, okay, so like I'm putting this into this out of the window, it not accessible. Okay, so this is also the one of the question related to trigger, like what is the magic table. So inserted and deleted are the two type of the magic table, and we cannot access this table outside of the session. And here we have the deleted as well. So in the both table, if any data got updated or deleted, so we can join based on the employee ID. And salary should be not the same, like if you have different salary. So if you create this trigger, okay, so this trigger will be available into the data object. Okay, so trigger is a it's basically part of the object. So you can also see how many trigger got created under the object. So if you go to any database, so my database is adventure work dw, so you can just expand it. Okay, so you can see all this object we available here. So whatever the object you can see, so database trigger here you can see. So this ddl trigger, database d trigger is there. So basically now you can validate the trigger is working or not. So I have these two table. Now you can see this table we don't have audit table, we don't have any record. If I put this select star from this table, we don't have any record. So now what will be happen if I update the data? Okay, so if I update the data in this table, if I update the data in this table, employee table, automatically data will be inserted into this table. So I'm just updating for the employee ID 1. So now employee ID 1 we have the you can see salary is 5,000. I'm going to change 5,000 to 8,000 for employee ID 1. So now you can see it got updated, and this table now you can see new data will be reflected 8,000, and the audit is also got inserted into this table. Okay, so basically we have the previous salary, this is the new salary, and who updated by this is the admin. This I logged in through the admin, but whenever you work in the real time, if you whatever the user you uh, use, that is basically that user will be reflect, and when it got updated. So this is updated by today, 8th of June. So this date will be reflect here. Okay, so like this you can solve this type of the question. So I hope you have the better understanding of the trigger. Okay, so I will provide you a couple of more question related to the trigger for the better understanding, so you can learn it and you can crack it. So thank you so much, keep watching, keep learning.